Good day, teachers and fellow warriors. I'm Khale Gabriel Perez from the Overcomers class. Today, I will show you one of my hobbies, which is cooking. I learned how to cook from my nanay and tatay. I will cook Ginisang Ampalaya. We prepared the ingredients ahead to save time for the video. Our ingredients are egg, ampalaya, pork, and then tomatoes, garlic and onions, salt and pepper, and oil. Okay, we're done cooking. This is my ginisang ampalaya. Thank you for watching.